Hey guys, alright, just making a quick video for what I did for the Makers Faire, which was last weekend in Montreal. I was invited to explain what I'm doing, which was building an R2-D2, and I wanted to have a bit more interactive because I wasn't very far along in my build. Summer here in Montreal is kind of warm these days, and it's like scorching hot. So what I did is I wanted to have my pie panels opening and a couple of doors opening also on my dome. So basically what I did is about a month and a half ago I bought an Arduino Uno and I bought this book. And basically I haven't programmed an Arduino and programmed in C in years, like 20 years. So going back to it was kind of hard, but I managed in less than about a month and a half to program an Arduino, a 16 key code to decipher which one was going to do what. So I got my board and I got my Arduino here and my keypad, and each button does something. So I programmed it, and what a lot of people don't know is at the Makers Faire was started on Saturday at noon. 24 hours before that, Friday at noon, nothing worked. I didn't even program the Arduino because I didn't know what to do. So not only did I know to program the Arduino, I bought myself an Adafruit, which is here, the blue board, is a 16 servo controller, and I got on top here a Pololu 5-volt regulator, 7 amp regulator. Try to zoom in a bit because it's kind of far. There we go, going there, going there, going there, going there, going there, going there. Okay, that should not be too bad. Sorry about the zoom, it's not very good. Anyways, the blue board controls the servos, and the green board controls the voltage. And bring that back. And so I programmed 8 servos. I got all my pie panels here with servos, got another servo here for the dome topper, and I got 3 servos here for opening panel 1, 2, and 3. All my doors are opening right now. They're just not all servos on them, so I'm going to do that later on. And I got my Thesis display all hooked up, so everything was flashing and everything. So it looked pretty cool. So I'm going to do a demonstration of what I did at Makers Faire and tell you where I'm at. Alright, so I got the dome connected to the body, the power through the slip rings, and everything is working fine. As you maybe see on the video, it's not flashing red and blue, but actually yellow and red. And they aren't blue, they're actually yellow, because I'm not making an R2-D2, I'm making another droid, another color droid. So it's going to be an Imperial droid, black and white, just like a Stormtrooper, so different colors. Anyway, so this is what I had at the Makers Faire. So the remote control is here. I don't know if you see it very well. Each button represents something. The button here, pie panel 5, pie panel 6, 1 and 2, the dome topper, panel 1, 2, 3, all open, all close, a little program here, another program, and this is for making the dome rotate. So if I press this one here, this one opens, so it latches. I just press one, it opens, press another one, it closes. So I got the dome topper here, panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. So if I turn it like this, you can see the panel closing there. 1, 2, and 3. So all open, which is the green one. I'm gonna make it go like this again so you can see them all open at the same time. This is what's great about the Pulu 7.7 amp. You got a lot of power go through the servos, so they pretty much open all at the same time because it has the power to do so. So if I just put it in front, it looks damn cool. Now this panel here later on will also have a servo. This one here, I put some lights inside so people could actually have a peek and look inside what it looks like, even though it's not finished yet. I mean, you see inside that all the wiring is loose, but people had a chance to see it. There we go. So close the doors, bring this to center. Wrong button. Alright, so still green and red, it all goes all the way open and then goes all the way closed rather quickly. Slowly, I'm sorry. So it opens slowly. With the lights inside, it's really cool. If I close the light in my shed, it's even better. So, slowly close down. That's just a bit of programming on the Arduino, and then you go pop up. There we go. So the other one is a small, just to make people laugh, the blue button. So just there you go. This is what I had done for the Maker's Faire this weekend, and like I said, Friday at noon, nothing worked at all. No programming whatsoever. The thesis was working fine. I wasn't able to make my dome turn. I wasn't able to open panels and one. So I started around 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday, and I ended up finishing at 2 o'clock a.m. on Saturday morning. And the yellow just goes left and right slowly, and the orange one has a bigger radius. Now this is pretty cool, but the idea here was, as long as I press the button, it would keep going around, and if I press this one, it would keep going around, but slower. Didn't work. And at 2 o'clock in the morning, I was like seeing ones and zeros and mixing them up, so I wanted to go to bed for a few hours. But that's okay. It was a big success. I had a great time meeting the people over there. It was meet a bunch of nice guys from different area and different expertise. And I met the guy from Lab. Can't wait to meet these guys. They're super cool. I'm gonna try to meet them in a week or two because I'm working. But this is what I did for Maker's Faire. Now I just want to finish my legs, work on my foot drive, actually make it move, which will be nice before May next year. And I was introduced to 3D printing. Can't wait to try that thing. Hopefully some people at the Lab guys will give me a hand. This is so cool. I'll be able to do so many things with this. And hopefully I'll be able to do a bit more. R2 is going to be on hold for a while because I'm doing some major home repairs, and so I'm not going to be working on it as much as I want to. And I want to also finish cleaning up the inside of my dome, because those loose wirings for opening and closing the doors and loose wires from the servos, I just wanted something more clean, because I could see before, you could see before, it's just like messy, and I don't like messy. So if I go all the way to the back, if I press right now, nothing works because he has to finish his sequence. But that's something I plan to change, like an interrupt or something like that.